Hey guys, Adam here and welcome back to another episode of the Dad of All Trades channel. Today, I've got a super quick and easy one for you. We're going to be changing the lift supports on this camper top right here. All you're going to need is a little flathead screwdriver and probably a piece of wood to hold it up so it doesn't fall on your head. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to get this thing taken care of real quick, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, so let me show you what we're dealing with here. On this one and on most lift supports, all you have is this little clip. Hopefully I don't knock anything over. All you gotta do is get the screwdriver in there, pop the clip back, and this pops right out. Then we do it again on the bottom. And that's all there is to it. They come off real easy, guys. Just be careful, and like I said, make sure that whatever's holding up your camper top doesn't fall on your head. Alright guys, so here's the new one that I've got. And you gotta be careful when you're buying these, because a lot of them are for trunk lids and things like that, and they're rated for 100 pounds or something. And I assure you, this camper top is not 100 pounds. And they'll try to sell you whatever they can. So just make sure it's not the wrong one. You know, this one's like 24 pounds. Make sure you can squeeze it by hand. And the guy told me, before you put it on for the first time, make sure you compress it all the way, because that first squeeze will probably be the hardest squeeze that it'll do. But to put them back on, very simple. You just pop it right over. You don't have to pull the clip out or nothing. Pops right on. Bottom. Pops right on. There's the stick, but now we got a good one, so as you can see, it's on there and we're good. Not that hard. And now all I gotta do is do the other side, but now I got this one side holding it up, so that's all there is to it, guys. Alright guys, well, we got the two new ones on and took the old ones off. One of them was still probably good. The other one, all the oil came out of it. It's no good. They'll sell you two at a time, and just go ahead and get you both of them. They were like 20, 25 bucks a piece. You know, so it's well worth it to have brand new shocks. You don't have to worry about this thing falling on your head when you got a load of groceries or whatever. But as you can see, they work great. Nothing to it. You know, it's a 5-minute fix. Really, especially if you have somebody helping you. You know, all you need is your trusty screwdriver, just a small flathead. And there you go. So y'all, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the likes, shares, and subscribes y'all do. Y'all have been great. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.